Law enforcement agencies are under constant scrutiny, and it is no different on social media.
In the past month, a St. Paul police officer resigned after suggesting on Facebook that drivers run over Black Lives Matter protesters. An officer in Rochester was also put on leave when anti-Muslim posts appeared on his Facebook page. So what's appropriate and allowed for police? We discovered each Twin Cities Police Department policy is different, and in one case, non-existent.
It's hard to miss the attention a questionable post by a member of law enforcement gets. Often harsh criticism or discipline follows.
Most organizations these days have written policies for social media use.
Hennepin, Ramsey, and Chisago County Sheriff's Offices share similar social media policies. Social media expert David Erickson calls them an insurance policy for departments.
They basically give you an outline of the things that you should be doing and shouldn't be doing, and consequences for doing things that violate the policy.
The Sheriff's Office policies strive to avoid anything that would compromise the safety of officers and prohibit language or conduct that could damage the department. And while acting as an office representative, they can't endorse, support, or oppose political or religious causes.
Mostly it's don't be stupid. It's, don't do stupid things online, because people will find out.
Employment attorney Larry Schaefer calls having a social media policy a balancing act.
It should be very narrowly tailored. It should only restrict communications that otherwise would reflect poorly on the department or involve specifics of the job duties or the way they do their job.
The Minneapolis Police Department teaches a social media class. Its policy focuses on protecting the reputation of the organization and guarding against liability and legal risk. The policy suggests exercising good judgment and that employees on social media who can be ID'd as MPD have no expectation of privacy. And it spells out potential discipline. Still, Schaefer advises there are risks.
The risk is that you get sued by people that aren't happy with having their free speech rights restricted.
So what about those departments caught in recent Facebook controversies? Rochester Police policy covers all forms of communication, but is not specific to social media. Don't discriminate. Be faithful to the office. Use proper language and conduct. And St. Paul, its police department does not have a policy.
Now, many departments also have an on-the-job social media policy, including how it can be used for investigative purposes and what is posted to social sites. If you'd like to take a closer look at those policies, visit WCCO.com/links.